Hello everybody, I'm David.
And I'm Michael.
We are here at Primal Eats, and we've got something special to show you.
Yep, we're gonna take you on a little tour and show you some of the new stuff that we've been working on.
Here, one of the things that we like to say, kind of a motto if you will, is don't wait for change.
Embrace it.
Exactly. In the restaurant business, in this business here on this property, change is expected, and we have to do it because what we do is we listen to you, the customers.
Absolutely. So come in, you guys come have a tour and see what we got going on.
Let's go check it out. When you first walk in here, there used to be a big wall here. The wall is no more.
We've opened it all the way up straight from the gift shop right into the bar so you can see where all the action's happening.
So there's a lot of times we would see customers come in here. So, it's us being observant and having people walk in. The gift shop was beautiful, don't get me wrong, but they're here to come to a restaurant and they couldn't even see the bar. It'd just kind of be a wall there. So now once you walk in, it's just boom, it's inviting. You can get in here, you can see what's going on. You're invited to walk forward and join the atmosphere, right?
Absolutely. If you guys come over here, you can see that we've knocked down the gift shop wall and completely opened it up so it's not so disconnected from the rest of the restaurant. You can kind of flow right in here. Check out all of our new hats, t-shirts, mugs, knives, all sorts of stuff we got for you guys to come check out.
We had an order window and a pickup window. The same concept applies, but boom, check it out. Welcome to Terry Joe's new home, everybody.
So we tried to bring our team out here to be more involved with the customers. We wanted to get out here to increase the engagement, increase how much that we can be of service to the people as much as possible. We wanted to make it a little bit more streamlined, a little bit easier for customers to come up, pick up their food, order their food, and be on their way out to go relax in our wonderful park out here for a while.
It's really cool, and this all happened in 2 days. 2 days, you guys, we had an army of people come in here from the farm, from the offices, kitchen workers, everybody was involved to get this done. So what an amazing team to be a part of.
Absolutely, everybody worked very hard to accomplish this for you guys, and we do it all for you. Everything that we do here, we try to make as good as possible. And yeah, we listen to the customer reviews, we try to listen to what you guys ask for and give you what you want, and hopefully this is a step in the right direction.
Check out the new store, check out the new restaurant, bar area. We're changing all the time.
You guys have a great day. Hopefully we see you guys today.
Get on down here, we'll see you soon.